Ratio and proportion. Ratio. A ratio is an ordered comparison of quantities of same units. Example, Siri has 8 notebooks and Ravi has 16 notebooks. In general, the ratio of two quantities A and B is written as A is to B and we read it as A is to B. The two quantities A and B are called terms of the ratio. First quantity A is called first term or antecedent and second quantity B is called second term or consequent. Example, Rafi has 16 red marbles and 4 blue marbles. Find the ratio of red marbles to blue marbles Rafi has. Solution. Red marbles is to blue marbles is equal to 16 is to 4 is equal to 4 is to 1. Number of red marbles are 4 times that of blue marbles. Some ratio in different situation. A ratio is said to be in the simplest form or in the lowest terms when it is written in terms of whole numbers with no common factors other than 1. Example, in a mathematics class, there are 16 boys and 20 girls. Find the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls and express it in the simplest form. Solution. Ratio of number of boys to the number of girls is equal to 16 is to 20 equal to 16 by 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 by 2 into 2 into 5 is equal to 4 by 5. The simplest form is 4 is to 5. Division of a given quantity in a given ratio. Example, Hari and Teja won a lottery, which they agreed to share in the ratio 5 is to 3. If Teja receives rupees 150, how much did Hari receive? Also find the total amount. Solution. Ratio of Teja's amount to Hari's amount is 5 is to 3. Teja has 3 parts. If 3 parts is equal to 150, 1 part is equal to 150 by 3 is equal to 50 and 5 parts is equal to 50 into 5 is equal to 250. Hari will receive rupees 250 and the total amount is 250 plus 150 is equal to 400. Proportion. The equality of ratio is called proportion. In general, if the ratio of A and B is equal to the ratio of C and D, we say that they are in proportion. This is represented as A is to B proportional to C is to D. Example, Raju and Bharat add their money and brought 20 pencils. Raju contributed rupees 12 and Bharat rupees 18. They wanted to distribute the pencils between them. 1. Bharat said 10 pencils each. 2. Raju said 12 pencils for Bharat and 8 pencils for him. Who is correct? Solution. Ratio of amounts given by Raju and Bharat is equal to 12 is to 18 equal to 12 divided by 6 is to 18 divided by 6 is equal to 2 is to 3. According to Bharat, ratio of pencils is equal to 10 is to 10 is equal to 10 divided by 10 is to 10 divided by 10 equal to 1 is to 1. equal distribution of pencils is not proportional to the amount contributed. According to Raju, ratio of pencils is equal to 8:12, equal to 8 divided by 4 is to 12 divided by 4 is equal to 2:3. For fair distribution, the ratio of number of pencils should be the same as the ratio of amounts contributed. So, it can be said that Raju is correct and 8 pencils should go to Raju and 12 pencils to Bharat. Unitary method. The method in which we first find the value of one unit and then the value of the required number of units is known as unitary method. Example: if the cost of 6 bottles of juice is rupees 210, then what will be the cost of 4 bottles of juice? Solution: cost of 6 bottles of juice is equal to rupees 210. Here we first know the 1 bottle juice cost, then we find the 4 bottles juice cost. Cost of 1 bottle of juice is equal to 210 divided by 6 is equal to 35 rupees. Cost of 4 bottles of juice is equal to 4 into 35 is equal to 140 rupees.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.